Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to wallpaper and style. Here click to change wallpaper icon. So here you could use photo from your device gallery or just default wallpapers on your device. For example, I'll use one from the default wallpapers. Here you can see how this wallpaper will look on the home and lock screen, the preview. So select lock screen, tap on the right down corner, tap to lock screen, wait a second, and now we can see the message that the wallpaper set successfully. So let's check and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your home screen with a finger, then tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way click change wallpaper and select one from the available wallpapers. For example, I'll use this one. Tap to lock screen, click on the right down corner, select lock screen once again. Now just let's lock the device, and as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.